apartment, and it's been small by small. I've been doing things, not liking them, and this is my latest apartment upgrade. I decided to add this little dining area, you know what I mean? Like this island, I have a big island, man. Like this island is pretty big. It could fit about 4 or 5 chairs, but it's a little different. Like when you're trying to have a conversation with somebody, when friends come over and y'all want to play games, it's a little awkward because everybody got to sit like, you know, like you at the bar. So I wanted to add the dining area because I felt like it allows for more of like a conversation place. So yeah, like I said, I felt like the dining area gonna be better for conversations, better for board games, game nights. And I feel like there I could sit on the chairs pretty comfortably and like work on things, eat sometimes. You know, I'd rather probably eat on the island, you know. But the next thing I want to do is on the corner, I want to get a lamp that goes over that, because if you could see, as you can see, there's like no light over there in that corner. So I want to get one of those floor lamps. I'll probably get one from All Modern or anywhere else if I see something that looks nice with a dope design that's not too expensive. I'm gonna probably add that to the corner. And yeah, I've been here for like 3 years. I haven't really added any art. So that's something I might change, I want to change, but also I might be, I don't know where in his apartment I could put some art at. But shit, anyway, y'all could give me some recommendations, things I should do. Remember, I like keeping things minimal, clean. You know, I don't want to add too much. I know y'all might be like, you need some color. I don't know. I don't want. Maybe not, but if it's just not a pop, like a little bit of pop, I don't want to do too much when it comes to color, so. But yeah, all the new subscribers, man, I appreciate y'all. You know, y'all click the like on the videos, leave me comments, and y'all stay tuned. I appreciate y'all. Y'all give me your feedback in the comments, and I will reply to all y'all. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos coming soon. You know, more vlogs and more everything. It's your boy Kerry, and I'm out of here, man. Peace.